Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. Kenny Rhymes, co-founder of Frandal Technology Company. Yeah. So I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we will talk about how to make money online, how to start your own online investments, and how to start your own online company. Yeah. So before I start today's episode, I will leave all these links I'm about to talk about in the description in case you want to join. Yeah. So I think last 2 days I made a video about how you can buy USDT at a lower rate on Exness and sell it high on Binance. And lots of people were doubting it. People were saying that if you buy it with more money, you can't sell it, blah 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 blah. Yeah, so I want to do everything step by step. So if you skip this thing, don't comment rubbish. Watch from beginning to the end so that you understand what I'm about to teach you. Yeah. So if you open deposits on Xness, we have several ways of what depositing money on Xness. So this one, before you can buy USDT with more money and sell it through more money or withdrawing it through USDT, you have to download the old Xness app. So this one you go to Exness. So this the official platform. So you go to the official site and you download the old version of Exness. Yeah. So after downloading it, you say something like this. Yeah. So before you start, you have to deposit money through mobile money. And one thing about this was depositing money and withdrawing money is free of charge. They will not charge you anything on this platform. Yeah. So when you deposit money, this is how you do it. You enter the money you want to deposit, let's say 1,000 Ghana cedis. Then you what? You deposit the money in Exness account. So I've already done it. Yeah. So today I'll be showing you these two steps, and after that I'll show you how you can start arbitrage without investing anything. So pay attention to this class. Yeah. So when you get the money in your account, in your account, in your account, then you go to withdrawal. Then withdrawal, you will choose USDT because Binance don't support mobile money straightforward. So you choose USDT. So you go to Binance deposit. Then you choose USDT over here. USDT over here, yeah. Then you choose USDT TRC20. Then you copy your address. This is your address. Then you come back to Exness and you go to USDT this thing and you paste the Tron address over here and the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 50 USDT, 50 USDT, or let's say okay, I want to withdraw, let's say 20 USDT for still say 20 USDT. Yeah. And then I'll click on continue. So they will send you some code on your mobile phone, the number you used to activate the account. They will send you some code over there for you to input the code and continue. So I saying I've received the code. Then you input the code over here. So this is the code. So it's verified. You see that thing? Then you confirm it. So your transaction is what in progress. So in a short time, you'll see that the money will deduct from my Exness account and it will be in what in my Binance account. So that's how it is. So if you're using the new version of Exness, you can't do this arbitrage I'm talking about. Yeah. So we also have other ways that you can also like make money on this platform. Yeah. So let's wait or let's continue. So when the money being in our Exness account, in our Binance account, we'll continue from it. So I've seen that right now the 20 have deducted from my Exness account. So in short time, it will be in my Binance account. Yeah, it's not yet in my Binance account, but it will come. Yeah. So we also have some ways to make money on using Arbitrage without investing anything. So have you seen this platform that's called Red Blue? So it's an investment platform. So we have two ways of making money on this platform. The first one is by investing and getting profit from it. And second is what? By render your services and they will pay you for it and they will draw the money straight to your Exness account and you sell it to Binance and make a lot of profits from it. So this is how we do it. So I we seen that when I go to team, I have I have 11 people in my team. Yeah, and this 11 people also paid me. Yeah. So when I come to my home, in case you're not a good in affiliate marketing, this will help you make money as an investor. But if you're also good at affiliate marketing, you can also make money by exchanging your services and get money from it. So you just come here, you recharge the account. So you go to recharge account and you copy your address and you go to, let's say, Exness or Binance and you deposit money in it. So let's read their VIP terms. So the VIP one, you have to invest 15 USDT dollars and daily you will withdraw 5 USDT. In the VIP two, you have to invest 75 USDT and every day you will withdraw 19 USDT. In the VIP three, you have to invest 175 USDT and every day you will withdraw 46 USDT. So it goes on like that. Yeah. So when you invest 15 or 75 USDT every day, you will withdraw the money. So the money you will be withdrawing, then you will transfer the money to your Exness account. So let's say when I go to my withdrawal, you'll see that the account address, the money is right now in Binance account. So we'll continue from it. So let me show something. So I've seen it right now. The 20 USDT is in my note in my Binance account. So we continue. Let's talk about this one. So I've seen that my Tron address is already in here. Yeah. So it means that the money I will withdraw it will go straight to my Exness account without any charges. Yeah. Then I'll transfer that money from Exness account to Binance account and sell it through P2P. You see that thing? Yeah. So every day I'll be getting profit from it, and that profit I will withdraw it to my Exness account, and I'll exchange it from Exness to Binance and withdraw it to make profit. Yeah. So right now I've exchanged the money from Exness to Binance. This one I'm doing 3 in 1, 3 in 1. So you have to pay attention where so that you understand it very well. Yeah. So I bought the USDT with what mobile money in my Exness account, and I've sent the money from Exness to what Binance because when I go to Exness, if I want to withdraw, I can withdraw it straight on Exness. I can withdraw it straight on Exness. So P me to me for why. Yeah. So I can choose to withdraw the money straight from here. But let's say the one USDT over here is what 12.84. It's very small comparing to Binance. So if I go to trade and I go to P2P and I go to sell, so it means that I'm ready to sell my USDT on Binance. So have you seen it? Hey, date 25 Ghana cedis like how I'm coming on. Hey, thank you. Let me choose. Well, I want to sell it. Buy. Buy is what? 12.95. Sell. If you have USD to sell right now, let me see. Bank transfer. 25 Ghana cedis. Nah, these are all bank transfer. Bank. Hey, 25 cedis for bank transfer. Wow. And the mobile money is what? So I've seen this person is 12.94, comparing this one to 12.84. So I think this one's very cool. So I'll choose to trade with this person. Yeah. So I'll go to sell. I'll initiate, and when you come to sell, you see that the balance was 0.000 USDT. So you have to what? Transfer the money from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. Yeah. So I'm transferring right now. So right now I'm seeing that the balance is 20 USDT. Yeah. So I'll go to 20 USDT right now. So I'll be getting two 258 Ghana cedis if I sell it. So I'll go to sell USDT right now. So it means that like I'm what earning profit from it. So I'll be doing this till the money finish. Then after that, I'll withdraw my profit and I'll also do it again. That's how we do it. This person is not online, so it will make the transaction delay. It's not online. Sure. To make delay. Yeah. So that's how you sell your URL on this platform. You see that thing? Yeah. So and this one, I will leave this one to their link in the description, and this one to like if you're an affiliate marketer, you go to your team and you copy your address. So you share this address. So the more people are joining through your address, you'll be getting commission from it. And this commission, you withdraw this commission to your Exness account and transfer the money from Exness to Binance account, and you make profits from it. So right now, if I sold all this 700 70 USDT, I'm making profit from it. So that's how this platform works. Is right thing. That's how this platform works. So it's very cool. It's very simple. But if you don't understand anything and you want further explanation, you hit me up and I'll charge you some more and I'll guide you through it. Yeah. So let me check mine. The person's not still not here. So when you want to see that the person is online, you see that this thing. Let me draw for you to see. Have you seen this thing? Yeah, it will turn green. That means that person is what online. But when it's black, that means the person is offline unless you wait for the person. Yeah. Yeah. So the person is still not online. So I think I'll wait for him to be online and I'll sell it and make my profit. Yeah. Yeah. So by the way, I'll leave all these links in the description in case you want to join. Yeah. I will leave the Red Bull. So the Red Bull is good for investing. If you invest, you get your daily profits. Then you perform your task over here every day. So you come to a task, you click on continue complete and it will complete for you. So I've complete my two tasks right now. So I have 10 USDT and I've transferred this tax into my Exness. So let me go to my Exness for you to see that I've received the money here. So you see today's on 5 USDT and yesterday 5 USDT. So you see this one I've been earning money every day on this Exness. So I've been doing this type of arbitrage every day. Yeah, so I'll do this every day and get profit from it. So thank you for watching me and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out. Pow.